Alright, team, another day, another daring rescue from, pigeons. Don't tell anyone, but those feathered fiends are tougher than they look. Rooftop parkour is harder than it looks, especially when you have to land gracefully for the vlog. Nailed it. Okay, so maybe being a superhero is easier than cleaning up after being a superhero. Yarn is my kryptonite, apparently. Stay tuned for more chaos. Don't pause, hit that subscribe button for more perfect action on Story Nest. And give this video a positive thumbs up.